Grungy Green Halo Eye. Hey guys, welcome to this week's Fab in 5. Today's going to be a quick tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to create this grungy green halo eye. I'll be also using the Star Wars Mandelorian eyeshadow palette by Colourpop. So if you want to find out how to create this look using this gorgeous little palette, then keep on watching. I'm going to start with the shade Just Like a Tatooine. It's a beautiful, warmer, matte brown that is softer and a good transition shade. I'm going to apply this all over the crease, start to blend it towards the brow bone. Now I'm going to take the shade Little Frog, which is actually a sequin shade, but I'm going to use it to blend into the soft brown. It is like a medium green, and I'm just going to apply it a little bit lower, more precise, and then blend it into the brown I had applied before. Now I'm going to take the Float Your Crib, which is a dark earthy green, and I'm going to take a more precise brush, which I'm using the JH52 from Morphe, and I'm going to apply this all around the crease, all the way to the inner corner, just to shape the crease a little bit more. And now I'm taking a larger brush, which specifically I'm using the Smashbox shadow blending brush, to start to buff the edges and create kind of a halo eye, bringing the darkest shade all the way to the inner corner and blending it out towards the lighter green. So as you can see, it transitions from the darkest green to the lighter green and then into the brown, and that is how we achieve that perfect blend. Once we've buffed that out, we're going to take the Little Frog shade on a fluffier blending brush again, further blend out that edge so there's no harsh lines. We're going to pop the shade The Force, which is a beautiful gold metallic, and I'm going to pop that right in the center where we have not applied shadow yet, in the center of the lid. And then I'm going to take my brush and run it along the edges to make sure everything blends in together and that the green isn't muted at all. I'm going to take the shade Right Hand Mando, which is a champagne metallic, but it has a slightly golden hue, but also kind of slightly green hue. I'm going to apply that in the inner corner and on the brow bone. Now I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Highliner Eye Crayon in Olive Hue. I'm applying it all throughout the waterline and smudging it along the lower lash line slightly. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take the JH52 again, using the shade Droid Protocol, which is a nice rich brown, and I'm going to use that to smudge the liner out, and I'm going to blend that and soften the edges of that with the shade Just Like a Tatooine. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I decided not to do liquid liner as the halo eye I think looks nice with just some mascara, and I'm going to curl the lashes and apply my Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. Absolutely love this guy, and because I like to layer mascaras, I'm then going in with just a small layer of Fenty Beauty because it's another one of my favorites to give the maximum magnitude to the lashes. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I absolutely loved this palette. I hope you enjoyed the look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time.